Welcome, here I've got Honor 8 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So at first we have to tap to the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. Now we have to simply slide to the right to get access to advanced camera settings, and here at the second place we have GPS tag option, so it allows us to save the information about the place where we take a picture in the details about it. By using the button from the right we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need. And here also the important thing is that to make it work correctly, when we want to save the actual location of our photo, we have to be connected with the internet, for example with the Wi-Fi or mobile data, and we have to turn on the location information. So remember about these two parameters, the location and the internet, to make it work. Now let me keep turning on all of these settings. Let's move back to the camera to take a picture. To see it, let's move to the left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery. So this is our photo. Now let's tap to the right corner button. And here when we slide a little bit down, we get access to some details about our picture with location information. So greetings from Kraków, Poland. We can also tap to more and pick show on map to get access to the Google Maps and check our location at the map. So this is really easy. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.